Mommy, this is the art school, right?
Yeah, this
Yan.
I remember.
Legislative Building, the Winnipeg Art Gallery. Did you went in there?
I had lessons.
Yeah, mommy is scared to go there alone or with you guys, so I have to take this.
So yeah, no, you'll need the adapter.
Guys, once again, Lakay Tracker here. Nagbabalik tayo. Nag-base lang ako at pupunta kami ngayon doon sa South Osborne, Winnipeg. May bibilin si Mrs.
Laundry.
Sa mga sa sinasabi kong mag-apply kayo, no? Apply na kayo, guys. But Canada only. 'Yon. Huwag niyo kalimutan lagay yung pangalan ko sa referral. Meron akong referral bonus, meron din kayong sign-on bonus. Everybody win-win. You win, I'm win. Yung ganun lang yun. Walang bayad ang talk sa akin, hindi ako binabayaran. Pero syempre, sa panahon ngayon, as long as you making living with honest hard work, walang problema yun. Kahit sabihin ko pang nag-hire sila at i-promote ko yung kanilang hiring, okay lang yun, walang problema. But anyway guys, tignan yung kalupitan ni Mrs. Oh, dito na kami sa Canada pero ganyan katindi si Mrs. Talagang nagsasampay talaga siya, para maka tipid lang. Hindi nagtatrabaho si Mrs. pero marunong siyang tumulong sa Lakay Tracker, sa husband niya na kahit paano makatipid sa tubig, I mean sa dryer, yun guys. Ang daming mga labahin, ha. Kita nyo? Han, tara na! Han! Let's go! Ayan. Tapos ang tagal pa niyang lumabas kasi alam nyo kung bakit tinitignan niya lahat ulit. Triple check, double check. Yan, talaga. Why are you doing that? Do not pick up that dirty boy. Patiti, say here. Say hi here. Say hi here.
You remember my basketball skills for real?
You have a basketball skills? Yes. Nog na itong bata na to. Paano? Lagi sila doon sa beach eh.
In the previous video.
In the previous video. Kahit sa atis nila, nog na. It's getting darker because they're always in the beach. St. Laurent Beach.
He likes falcon.
No, only Clark is a little lighter. Mommy is not went into the water. Ayan guys, si Mrs. Iba yan kapag sa tulong niya sa akin yan nagsasampay siya. Ganun ba ang diskarte mo para sa pagtulong sa akin?
Siyempre.
Iba, kakaiba. Kaya naman ako iyo. Let's go. Ano pinagtatawa mo, Nel? Naiintindihan niya kasi si Nel yung mga Tagalog. Gawa nga ng dumating si Nel dito 4 years old eh. Sa Pilipinas talagang isa rin yan sa makukulit eh, na bata sa Pilipinas. Pero dito sa Canada, itong dalawa, nag-aaral-aral na lang. Right, Clark? Marunong na mag-Tagalog. Uy. Are you showing your basketball skills? Alam na. All. Uy. Sana naman umandar ka. Kung hindi, bibili na kami ng bago. Kailangan na rin sigurong bumili. Tama nga naman si Mrs. 5 years old na yung namin, yung truck namin, ay itong pilot namin 5 years. 5 years na. Pero ang bayad namin dito sa ang range ng payment namin dito 7 years to pay itong pilot. Medyo may kamahalan kasi fully loaded kasi ito at saka touring, all-wheel drive. Ayan. But anyway guys, tara na Han. Pupunta natin yung saan ba yung binili mo pala ay kasama dun sa Han, Arbe?
Ayan o.
Ituturo mo nga sa akin guys. I mean Han.
Late na tayo mamaya na.
Ito?
Oo. Dapat L siya. Dapat ganyan siya o L. Dapat yung dyan. Yang sa RB, pag ganun siya straight, tapos ganyan lang siya, straight.
Mga ilang bike lang ang may lagay?
Yan, dalawa lang yan. Pero
Dalawa
sa
lang?
RB lang talaga yan siya.
Ay, dapat sa RB lang talaga
Oo,
ito.
kasi ang bakal
Yung
niya, kasi Han, ang bakal niya, straight lang, straight. Pasok ko doon, tapos pag ganun.
O sige, tara. Pupuntahan natin yung binibili ni Mrs. na rack ng ano, ng bike kasi bibili sila ng bike para kapag ka lumabas sila, magbabike-bike sila. Ano, yung mga pamilya natin, kailangan yung mga yun, yung outing. Pagkano ko pa rin kasi siyempre kahit paano si Mrs. Kaya mag-drive, may labas niya yung mga bata anytime. Hindi ko naman siya pinipero siya magtrabaho. Kaya natin is i-provide lahat. Importante masaya yung mga anak ko. Kahit na ganyan. Pinagkakasya natin kung ano yung income. That's the good thing. Alright. Tarahan. Lagay mo na lang yan.
That's what I do to myself. I like
Tapos papunta kami doon sa bibilihin ni
big bag.
sa kausap ni Mrs. sa
Eat a big bag.
sa 204 market para doon sa rack ng bisikleta.
Give me more.
Magkano ba yung bago ang stoy, guys?
Oh my god.
Magkano ang brand nyo nun, Han?
Nasa 200 yun, ha?
Pag brand nyo? Ngayon yung
Here, take it off.
90 lang. Guys, bakit? I don't like children or kids that too much
Take it off. That's all.
Bakit don't hurt your sister Kalaki mong baka naman bugbugin mo pa yung ate Clark mo. Kapayat-payat na nga yan bugbugin pa niya yung ate niya. Tarahan, ikaw na mag-drive, ako na. You got this? May sis nang bahala dyan. Let's go, guys. Tara sa South Osborne, Winnipeg. Seatbelt, guys, let's roll.
Pack in this thing.
Okay, Bake, what is that?
My sprinkle pack.
That is for Ate Clark?
Yes,
Yeah.
Why Bakit taking them?
for Ate Clark ba?
I want some.
Just that's Ate Clark. If it's not yours, don't take it.
Yeah.
I don't like kids taking
Please drive to
somebody's
Highway
stuff, even your sister.
Even splash my sprinkles into the ground.
Yeah, if sister doesn't want to give you or share you don't have
Please drive to Highlight
kasi that's
Road.
hers. I'm probably you have your own different thing
Why don't?
when you ask mommy to buy some. Okay? Alright, let's go. Yeah, mommy is scared to go there alone or with you guys, so you have to take this.
here, it's a good thing.
You have to take this chance
So,
because some people is bad, especially just mom.
This is the same route to the place I fixed my bike.
Okay. Kaya guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Centro Winnipeg. Makikita nyo yung mga malatas na building dyan mamaya.
Is that where you buy a bike?
No, your ate Sinel is made a bike.
What?
She did not buy instead.
that's where Clark, after born, that's the second house then.
That's where we live in that
Just
house.
turn to the right and then like a few meters there. That's where I fixed the bus stop.
Guys Centro Winnipeg, nakita natin yung mga building na din. Sana all. Wilderness Supply. What do you have in there? Part source.
Rolex.
Oh,
Pero palang Rolex yan.
Rolex guys Robert coin. Mga gawa ng mga relos. Gala tayo sa Center Winnipeg. Laking building oh. Sargent Avenue. Dito guys, ang medyo may kaguluhan dito. Sargent at doon sa Ellis. Sa Ellis kami tumira sa mga ano, medyo may crowded dito sa sentro ng Winnipeg. Nung paglapag namin ni Mrs. dito, kami pa lang eh. Work permit kami natin ng Pizza Hut. Dito kami tumira sa sentro dito.
Pangalawang bahay natin yung tinira kasi yung una mahal na apartment yun.
Oo nga, papalawang bahay namin tinirahan kasi yung una mahal yun nung binigyan kami ng mahal na apartment nung ano eh, ng boss namin eh. Naghanap kami ng ano. Ito, ano ba to? University of Winnipeg, itong school na to guys. Ayan oh. Diyan, doon kami nakatira doon sa ano yun, Ellis yun. Dito na tayo sa mga, look at those building here in center of Winnipeg guys.
It's big.
Raga, we only come here once in a while and now you see those buildings.
It's big.
University of Winnipeg.
It's right there.
That one.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
When you go to the
I can see the words.
the ano sila? You go
Big,
to
big yung the other side.
rice building. I know. What did they have in there? Andun na naman yung ano guys ha, andun yung hindi yung katedral, tama nga pala yung sinasabi nila. Legislative building.
Mommy, this is the art school, right?
Yan.
I remember.
Legislative building, the Winnipeg Art Gallery. Did you went in there
I had lessons.
before? Nakarating na rin tong anak kong ito dyan dati. Did you nag-ano siya, napili siya dati? Nag-art siya doon, nag-drawing siya? Did you draw?
We did many things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ano bang araw ngayon? Sabado guys ha. Medyo tahimik ha. Baka nagre-relax yung mga ano, yung mga tao sa bahay. O kaya dahil sa summer ngayon, baka nasa beach, no? They're in the beach.
You don't bother the smoke. Medyo maano.
Yan guys ha, yung sinasabi ng mga tropa sa akin, correction. Ayan, legislative building yan, hindi yan katedral. Kamali ako. Anyway guys, tama sila.
I remember that.
Sino bang sabing cathedral?
Ako. Sabi ko katedral, pinakamalaking simbahan sa Winnipeg.
Para kang hindi naging citizen ah.
Ayan nga, ano siya kayo citizen. Paktay na. Guys ha, Canada Life. Insurance namin dati yan. Life insurance. Na all. Sana all. Han, pagkaano pupunta ulit tayo mag-boat Han dyan?
Sa ano?
Oh, mayroong boat dyan sa baba dyan guys eh. Nung nakaraan may mga ano kami dyan dati. Hindi pa ako nagbablog nung araw eh. Hindi pa ako nagbablog no?
Oh, hindi.
Wala pa akong vlog nung araw. Pa ako nagbablog no?
Kasi Clark to 1 year old pa lang ata.
Oh, mga 7 years ago. Kailan lang naman ako nag-start mag-vlog? Nung nag-owner operator tayo. Oh, yun, sa Onroad 4 years na tayong nagba-vlog. Ang vlog ng Lakay Tracker, halo-halo guys. Tracking, bahay, at sometimes may funny joke pa. Yun. Halo-halo. Pagkain, etc. Yun, investment. Masasabi nyo ang Lakay, hindi na lang, baka magpalit na nga rin ako ng pangalan. Hindi na Lakay Tracker, kundi Lakay
Life.
Investor.
Hindi ka naman magagalit na talaga yan.
Lakay Investor, Lakay Entrepreneur, o Lakay Investor, Entrepreneur, Owner Operator, hindi na Lakay Tracker.
Magagalit na talaga yung mga...
Tapos nagbaba. Nag-joke lang tayo siya.
Yabang mo naman Lakay eh. Driver ka lang naman. Pinapaganda mo ko yung...
Yabang ko naman, driver lang ako ni Mrs. eh. Nagpapatawa lang guys. Masaya lang kasi kapag kasama pamilya, lagi tayo masaya niyan. Uy, ang ganda naman ng bike nito. Na all. Look at that. I like your bike.
That is
Dito, sa lugar nito, maraming ano dito, maraming pub house. Eyes in the village of Dimitri. Maraming ano dito. Ano. Pag diretso pa tayo doon, nandun na yung ano.
Yeah.
Nandun na yung binuntan natin din ni Papa ko dati na iikutan na range doon, jogging.
Oh.
Kung nagdala ka lang sana damit mo.
Hindi ako jogging shoes.
Jogging shoes. Dito maraming pub dito, guys. Dati kasi Cisco kami, nagde-deliver kami madaling araw, ang daming tao rito, mga tao na nightlife, yung ano nagbabar, ang daming bar dito. Dito maraming bar.
Saw a bar.
There's a lot of bar here.
Even in the morning, meron mga ganito, meron pa naman.
Oh, mayroong morning. Oo, kasi madilim naman sa loob. Bar. Meron mga sumasayaw-sayaw rito. Na
Hindi mo pwedeng
hubot-hubad daw, sabi nila. Hindi ako nakapasok dito.
bike man.
Even dun sa Taiwan, hindi ako nakapasok ng mga bar ng mga hubot-hubad. Sa Philippines, nung binata ako, alam na alam talaga lahat yun. Siya, binata ka pa. Pero mula nung sama na kami ni Mrs., I have to be good boy. Otherwise, walang swerte. Alright guys, ayan o. Osborne Station, han.
That looks big.
Yeah, Osborne. We're now in Osborne, South Osborne.
That looks cool.
Sa lahat ng mga vlog ko, hindi pa tayo nakarating dito sa Osborne. At least kahit paano nakarating na kayo, na-joyride ko na naman tayo. Kahit ganito lang yung vlog natin. Oh. Winnipeg Transit, kung gusto nyo 421 Osborne, kung gusto nyo mag-apply ng bus driver dito, ito yung terminal ng Winnipeg Transit, itong malaking ito. Ayan o. Oh. Ayan o. Yung bus ng mga Winnipeg, yung mga bus na bumabiyahe. Si Mrs. nagbabalak mag-apply ng na-apply mo han?
School bus?
School bus eh. Kung matanggap siya, meron naman siyang class 5.
Isip ako kasi syempre kailangan kong manap ng trabaho ng
Pasok
pareho
sa
pasok sa
ano ng mga
minsan
bata.
kasi may pasok yung ibang school, sila wala.
Okay.
Kaya nag-isip ako kung ano.
Wala namang pilitan yan. Importante yung mga batang priority natin this time. Malilit pa eh. Maliliit pa. Lapit na tayo. 200 meter, Bartlett Avenue. Ayun guys, sa Bartlett Avenue tayo.
Turn left on Bartlett Avenue, then arrive at
Apartment daw sila han?
Bartlett
Bahay?
Avenue on the right.
Bahay. Garage sale dun oh. Ano yun? Ang mga binibenta ni ano ba yun? Babae, lalaki? Binibenta nila ron.
Why are we going to 7-Eleven?
We're not going to 7-Eleven. Mommy is just
Sabi niyo parang 7-Eleven na tayo. Ano eh, pero 350. Andito yung bandaan, 350.
Arrive at 350 Bartlett Avenue on the right.
350.
350.
Ika, ano lang ako.
Park ka lang, okay.
Park. Doon may sa tapat niya mismo meron.
We're here, come on. We are here. Hindi naman yung kulay blue na bahay oh. Sana all. Sana all kulay blue ang bahay. Okay, i-text mo na, message mo na. Guys, dito na tayo. At kausap ni Mrs. yung ano. Pero siyempre, tatanungin natin kung pwedeng mag-vlog video.
Can I
Kung hindi,
come,
hindi ko.
Hindi tayo mag-ano, dyan lang tayo. Delikado masyado natin kilala yung tao. Magpa-park lang ako. Maliit ba masyado?
O, doon na lang sana sa may ano doon. Bakit? Doon sa may meron tayong ano doon eh. Huwag mo nang isiksik doon na, mas maluwang doon. Hindi ka kakasya siguro dyan. Nakita ko yung ano eh. Doon na lang. Atras mo doon. Kala ko doon ka nga magpa-park eh.
Hindi, kasi may nakita ako.
Ano? Doon sa mas maluwang. Oh, ay, dyan lang naman eh. Malapit lang naman yung ano eh. Inikutan mo. Yan. Para maiwas ka sa anumang sagi-sagi. Yan oh, napakasigi. Hindi ka kakasya talaga yan. Alright, yan. Dito maluwang. We are here. Kama na lang. Okay. Parallel.
Are they Filipino, Mom? No, they're not.
They're Canadian.
Hey.
I'm Canadian.
Yeah, let's go. Sabihin mo sa kanilahan, sabihin mo sa kanya, nandito na tayo. At idalahin niya dito sa labas. Tanungin mo kung saan, ano. Dali niya rito sa labas, tapos subukan nga natin. We're at the, ano na kamo, subukan nga natin. Dito kasi yun guys eh.
Daw tayo, Han.
Ha? Oh, sige, samba. Oh, yan. Samba, sa garahe sigurado yun. Sige, punta tayo sa garahe niya. Ito na yung garahe niya. Ano, mayroong pasukan doon, yun, siguro yun. Sa pang ilang bahay. Mula doon sa apartment na yan. 1, 2, 3.
Tatlo?
Oh, yan o, yung unang ano dyan, kaliwa na yan. Binibinta na rin yata ang bahay na yan, pre-estimate. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, pangatlo siya. Oh, ito. Baklin daw, baklin.
Where are we going?
To the guy that selling the bike rack. Know what I mean? Bike rack.
Dad, the dog.
1,
The dad.
2,
Is that
What is
him?
that for sale?
2.
For real? For
Ito.
real?
Hindi yan, ito.
Is that him?
3.
That's a boy.
3. Ayan. Ito yata.
Wala mo siya number. What?
Hayaan mo lang. Text mo, hindi naman tayo ano. Dito na tayo guys. Huwag mo papatay ng sakyanan, baka mamaya. Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Ay, ito guys, ano, nandito 350 oh. Anong 350 oh? Tayo natin. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, para dito. Testing muna natin.
Atrasan pa kita eh.
Ah,
Atrasan ako.
testing natin. Ay, yung ano na yan, oh, lalabas na siya. Ito.
Saan yung
Ito yun.
labasan niya?
Ito. Ayun sa kotse niya, yan oh. Yan yung bahay na kulay. Dun sa kabila.
Hindi, yung labasan niya. Dito.
Hmm. Let's go. Andiyan siya.
Yeah, there's two different sizes. My car fits this size, and I had the adapter. So yeah, no, it won't, because you'll need the adapter.
You have adapter?
I don't. I did, but I don't anymore.
So where to get the adapter?
You get it places like Canadian Tire. It's about $25. What you do is it just goes on, clips on, and then if you do have it, then you can use it for both sizes.
How much did you say giving this?
What was I selling it for? 90.
90?
Yeah.
Can you just give us at least for a little?
How much? What do you thinking? Just $50? Sure. Yeah.
Oh,
Just
yeah?
adapter.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
You-
Because initially,
Why you're not using it?
what happened was, and good, I'm glad you asked me. I tell people backstories. My youngest is 18 now, right?
Oh, okay.
And we go bike riding around here.
Yeah.
Like, but anyways, this was for my friend Kevin, and I used it a few times in the military. It's a 4 bike rack, it's nice, heavy duty, it's perfect for your man. And then, so I got that one from him because he didn't need it anymore. And then I had another one I just sold that was Jen's dad's. He had it, but he doesn't use it anymore. So I ended up with 2 bike racks. And I had the adapter, but I gave the adapter with the other one because I didn't need it for mine if I kept it.
Okay.
That's the only reason. So it wasn't used a lot, and my buddy Kevin bought it brand new.
So, where to get the adapter? Where to buy?
Before driving around, what I always do, go online, look up 2-inch.
2-inch. So that's 1 inch?
The name's not adapter, it's something else. It's a 2-inch for a trailer hitch, and it's a piece you can buy. If I get my phone.
Yeah, just go grab the phone.
Let me grab my phone and I'll show you.
Yeah, sure, please.
Yeah.
Ganito yun, ha?
Oo, tanggalin mo.
Paano? Dito ka.
Pasok ko yung bike.
Ganyan lang.
Yan, dalawang bike, kasi sara mo
Hawak
yung
mo.
ganyan.
Kasi paano? So,
Ganyan mo yan, oh. Sabi ni Joy, yung kaibigan natin, mas maganda yung screw. Kasi yung nasa RB, ano lang yung parang tali lang yun, goma.
Walang adapter yung RB?
Yun ang titingnan natin. Kasi
bahay, bago
yung
tayo
RB
bumili.
talaga, saktong-sakto dyan.
Oh. Okay. And I'm just gonna take picture on that. I'm just gonna grab my phone.
Yeah.
And then I know what exactly is...
Exactly. I didn't know anything about it until I started selling them. Because everyone's asking. Sold on my dad.
I saw that you can selling the house.
No, no.
Oh, what is the...
Oh, they did the roof.
Oh, the roof.
Good company, so I said I'll keep it up all summer. Yeah.
How much did you pay your house?
For the roof of the house.
The roof.
The roof, so what happened was, I don't want to tell you a long story, but
Yeah.
You replace the shingle?
I did a lot though. I paid about, so what I did was, I got inside the attic.
Oh,
He had a contractor too, got the bracing done. I got a new exhaust for my plumbing. I got my chimney knocked down. Got those ridge vents because I don't have venting.
How much is it?
All together, I paid about 30.
30,000.
But you don't need to pay that much. Depends what you need to get done.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Shop around, but that's a good roofing company.
Okay.
Yeah, look, if you're looking for a roof, check them out because I did a lot of research and they were great. And they'll give you a really good quote, really expensive. You can look around, but they got good reviews. They're on Triple B. Like I really.
Just gonna take picture on that sign in the...
Yeah, and then they take a picture. He has a drone. He takes a picture of the whole house.
Oh, they have a drone?
Oh yeah, good company. It has 2 crews. It's but look them up. Like because I bet there's a lot of roofing companies that aren't good. You know.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, like I did a lot of research. But yeah, no, it's great. I'm really happy with them. I don't know them. Like I'm not trying to sell them for you.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, I'm getting older. I can't do 2 things at once anymore. You know. You taking the kids out?
Right now, no. We just come here to...
Just for the bike kids? Yeah, I'm taking my granddaughter out. Okay, so I said I get my Wi-Fi all set up. So 2-inch adapter, trailer, Motomaster. So yeah, so it's actually so Motomaster has it, for example. Here, I just put it up really quick. Canadian Tire.
Something like that.
Yeah. And
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
The one that is goes here, right?
Yeah, it goes right around, easy.
Tapos
And then the nice thing is,
what is this? You're gonna remove this too as well or no? What is this?
it's just those. What happens is you take those off, it cuts in, and you put those screws on top of that.
Oh, there's a...
Yeah. I just use a screwdriver, a star.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, easy.
Is that the one?
Yeah. It's,
just gonna take
see,
picture.
it's 2.5 in a 2.5 and a 2-inch in receiver adapter.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. And there's other ones. Like, it's too bad because I had the adapter with it, but I had 2 trailer hitches, and it was whoever first come first serve need it. Like could go on either one.
My friend told me this one, so she said it to me.
It's a good one. It's heavy duty. It holds 4 bikes.
Yeah, I think there's a in Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire. That's Canadian Tire. There's Canadian Tire just on there.
Yes, there's a lot.
Thank you so much, sorry.
What part of town do you live in?
Oh, we are in the north end.
Yeah, I'm from the north end. Yeah, so thanks for coming south.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You work today?
No, I worked all week. I'm tired. I gotta take my grandkids out and work on this old house.
Yeah.
How about you? What are you up to today?
I'm a truck driver, so I'm just gonna leave tomorrow. So
You
no,
truck
my
it just in the city or?
Kasi I said, I'm
all over
scared
the
to-
place,
I'm scared-
America and Canada.
Oh,
I said,
that-
I'm scared to buy in marketplace, so she's scared, so I grabbed it.
Smart, good. I got a woman
I'm
too.
scared. It's my first time
My
to buy.
stepdad drives a truck. How much is this?
18.
80?
Yeah.
Give me, take 10 out. Just give me 70. I listed for 90, right?
Oh, yeah.
I said I'd take 20 off.
You're so kind.
Oh, no,
I'm just gonna
thank
buy it. I'm just gonna take it.
Yeah.
You buy it, Ben.
70?
Yeah.
Oh,
Give you 20 off so you get in the hitch.
thank you so much.
Don't worry, it's you can. I'm just looking at all the price points, eh? Yeah, Canadian Tire is probably your best bet.
We're gonna bring this in Canadian Tire, and then we're gonna check, and then we can bring the thing, and then we are
I don't know. I
good
don't
to
know.
go.
You could, or you could just. What I would do, buy the Canadian Tire, go in the parking lot,
Try,
buy
yeah.
it, and if not, send the receipt right
back.
back.
Oh yeah. Thank you, my sir.
They don't carry it.
Have a
You're
good
good with
day.
that?
Yeah.
Any problems, let me know. I'll take it back.
Okay.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay, have
So
a good
that's
day.
good. You're okay picking up the hitch?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
The hitch is a good investment because then you can put it on different vehicles.
Yes.
If you got family you want to share it or whatever,
Yes.
and then charge them a bit so you get your money back for the hitch.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Be safe driving.
Is this vlogging? Is that okay?
What's that?
He's vlogging.
I have a video vlog there.
Driver.
Oh, no, I like truck drivers, Mike. I got a lot of truck drivers in the family.
This vlog, is it okay?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we just a vlog. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
okay.
yeah,
You
yeah.
can check me on online if you want.
Oh, really?
Lakay Tracker.
What's it called?
Lakay Tracker YouTube.
Okay, cool, man. Nice to meet you. I'll
Yeah,
see you
yeah.
online.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right,
Yeah, take
okay.
care. Thank you.
All right, guys, tara. Let's go.
You see me just aged my grandkids.
Okay. All right, say bye-bye now to the uncle.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys, tara. Ito muna tayo sa Canadian Tire. Check natin yun.
Seatbelt now.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Canadian Tire. Tingin tayo ng hinges na yun. Sinasabi nung lalaki. Paano? Dagdag. Ayun, Canadian Tire.
So sleepy.
Do you know? Bakit? Hold to, ma'am. Mayroon naman akong picture dito, magtanong na lang tayo doon. Ito, Ford, ano? Sana all my Ford. Out ito, Han. Out. Doon tayo. Oh! You have something here. Delicious. Si Baki, nakaano lang na, nakaamoy lang ng mabango eh. Bango kasi guys eh. Ang bango-bango. Alright guys, bumalik ako guys. Kasi dadalhin ko to sa loob. Or ano ba dapat ang ano? Saan ba dapat yung matatanggal dyan? Para make sure talaga na ano. Ganito kalaki lang yapat yata yun, tanggalin ko kaya ito. Okay guys, andito na tayo. Nabili namin ni Mrs. Now, remove the thing, nak. I-try namin kasi kung hindi, yung resibo mo ano, hanak, kasi baka mamaya ibalik natin. Okay, yan. Kaya mo, kaya mo? Ito muna, nak. Bigay mo kay ma'am. Yung resibo baka lipa rin. Yeah. Sakto ba? Sakto? Sa kabilahan, mas maluwang. Yun. Yun, sakli. Na all. Ikay mapapasahan na all. O yun. Hindi ganyan. Kabila. Hindi ganyan.
Ano ba?
Pag ganun han, lagi. Hindi, ibig ko sabihin dito mo itusok. Sa ganito.
Okay.
Ganyan.
Baliktad.
Always kasi pag may tumama kasi siya sa ano yan, tanggal yan. Ayan, okay na. Now, kaya mo na ba to? Ako na.
Ako na. Tanong mag-video.
Ay, yan ang gusto ko kay Mrs. eh. Ako taga-video eh. Masculine o feminine. Ganun lang naman ako kakusa mga anak ko.
Yung pintuan ko baka mamaya maglupa tayo.
Oo, bakit pinatay mo naman?
Oo.
Patay ka lang kasi ng patay, aalis
Mamaya,
naman tayo agad eh.
Alam mong mayroong nang nakawan sa kakabukas.
Hindi, nandito lang naman tayo eh.
Oo nga,
Ayan,
yun nga
di.
yung iba dun.
Kinakawan? Tulungan mo si Mami Nel.
Tama ka ba ito na?
Kasi mabigat pa
Ninakaw
yan.
nila yung ano, buti nga wala dyan yung mga bata.
Okay.
Kaya nga,
Sakto. Huwag mo isagad. Kasi kapag sinagad mo, hindi na may papasok. Ilabas mo lang konti. Tama lang sa butas. Yan. Oh. Pwede
Ano yung
yan.
dalawa?
Pwede yan o yung isa.
hindi, yung maluwag ito pagka ano, ito
Ayan.
dapat.
Sige. Make sure mo lang talaga na mahigpitan mo yan.
Huwag mong anuhan nila.
Kaya mo konti. Yun. Gusto mo ako na.
Sige.
Ano naman to anak ko na to? Kala mo rin ano eh. Nalo. So you have your bike to put in there now?
Yeah.
You will try later. Mag-iipon pa si Mami pambili ng bike. Kailangan meron tayong ano niyan han. Meron kang pang
Screw?
Oo, pang paano baka mamaya malaglag lang yan eh.
Meron akong screw dyan, ito kunin ko.
Panghigpit. Ano alam mo sa totoo lang han? Duda ako sa ganito eh, baka matanggal eh. Mas gusto ko 'yon. Ganon, may pin na ganito. Duda ako. Sa totoo lang. As long as pasok, oh yan. As long, ano mo, i-treat mo. Yan. Okay na kahit hindi masyadong may treathan. Ang importante may pasok mo yung ano rito.
Hindi nga mapasok eh.
Okay lang, ang importante nakapasok dyan. Yan ang point ko. Kasi hindi talaga matatanggal yan. Kung yun kasi, duda ako eh. Pero wag mo rin aalisin. Baliktadan. Ganyan lagi oh, sa taas. Yan. Yan. Oh.
Do it another one.
Nakialam ka naman. Yan, tama. Kialam din eh.
Dapat makapasok to doon. Wala eh, kalahati lang eh.
Hindi kasi pang malaki kasi ituhan. Pang malaki kasi na ganito.
Tingnan nga natin, buksan na natin to.
Ha? O yan. Oy, tama. May rock na si Mami eh.
Kasi gumagalaw.
Alin gumagalaw?
Pagka ano,
O di dapat yung anong ilagay mo. Oo, matutumba. Hindi tama. Hindi tama. Yung ano ang ilagay mo, mas masikip.
yun nga.
Maigsi kasi yan eh. Saan kaya tayo wala tayong mabibilan ng ganyan kaya? Baka meron dun sa ano. Hindi po. Mas mahaba.
Ito na talaga yun ha.
Hindi, yung ibig ko sabihin mas mahaba yung ganito niya, nguso niya.
Try nga natin to.
Yung?
Screw, meron akong screw dito eh.
Kompleto ka pala eh. Ay, kompleto kargamento si Mrs. Oh. Ito pala, meron ka pala nito. Dapat tinanggal ko kanina itong ano. Ito lang at tinala ko eh. Matatanggal ito eh. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Sinel. Look for it. Hanapin mo, saan mo nalaglag? Hanapin mo na. Sige tayo, ano kuhan.
Sige, buhatin mo.
Oh. Oh.
I'm not gonna hurt you, bro. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Isa. Ikaw na
Ganyan
siya.
talaga yun, Han. Kagalaw-galaw kung sakali man. Gusto mo naman, masiksikan yan ng kung ano.
Okay yun.
Impet? Napanat? Okay. Kaya pala, kapag ka ano, tignan mo.
Ikaw magsikip ano.
Oo. Wala naman dito kasi yung ano, nandun pa sa bahay yung ano natin eh. Yung para dito talaga. Okay na yan. Mas maganda talaga kapag nakasagad. Kaso nga lang, kulang ito eh. Kailangan ipasok pa talaga. Hanggang dyan lang eh, no? Sana makahanap tayo ng mas mahaba nito. Ito, ganyan lang eh. Subukan natin pumunta sa Canadian Tire. Ipasok mo na, Snell. Lagyan mo na doon. Kung makakita tayo, kung hindi, yan na talaga.
Nang ganyan?
Oo.
Ay, yun na wala nahan. Dalawa lang yan sila.
Hindi. Ano yung Home Depot? Malay mo, mayroon pang mas mahabang ganito. Ayun ang point ko. Alright. But anyway, ayun yun talaga yun.
Unlike kung pupunta tayo sa ibang Home Depot.
Canadian Tire ka mo.
Pagka kinargahan na ata ito ng ano, hindi na ata na ano eh. Pagka kinargahan na ng bike.
Kaya kailangan tignan mo yan.
I was gonna work with the...
Balik mo to. Ilang bike ba may lagay mo an?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 oh. Hindi talaga gagalaw ito kapag nakasagad. Gagalaw-galaw siya kasi nga maiksi ito eh. Meron mas mahaba dyan, Han, maniwala ko sa akin. But anyway guys, okay na. Everything is set up. Okay na yan si Mami.
Hindi naman siguro ito matatanggal eh.
Hindi yan matatanggal. Kaso nga lang nagalaw. Oh.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay. So bye bye na guys. Thank you for watching. We buy it. Para pagka ano eh, mayroon sila misis ano, bibili na lang kami ng bike ha. Ewan ko kung siya kailangan siya bibili ng bike. Ako makakalimutan ilak ito, mamaya matanggal. Dapat maigpit yan. Okay. Sports rock. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Han, grisingan mo pagka ano. Bye bye na guys. Peace up. Lakai Tracker.